Hey friends, it's me, Claire. You make important artwork, and I want to help you make more of it. So please join me for this Artist Grant Advice Extravaganza. Over the last few years, I've received funding from the Elizabeth Greenshields Foundation, the Pollock Krasner Foundation, the South Dakota Arts Council, and Springboard for the Arts. These opportunities have helped me continue to work as an artist, and I want to pass on my good luck to you. This artist grant advice should be helpful if you're planning to apply for a grant and need some guidance. I also structured this lecture to help you out if you've never applied for a grant before and don't know where to begin. Some artists hire a grant writer when applying for funding, but I've always done this work myself, and I think you can do it too. During this lecture, I'll provide a generic grant overview. I'll explain what grants are and some resources on how to find them. I'm also going to cover what typical application materials you'll need in grant applications. This includes your portfolio, artist statement, CV, project proposal, budget, and references. Some funding organizations require more documents and some less, but I want to share what I've encountered most often to help you prepare for your grant applications. This video lecture is part of the curriculum at the unaccredited College of Clare. I created UCK because, you shouldn't have to go into debt up to your eyeballs to learn about being an artist. To find additional resources, please visit patreon.com/Claire Lockhart. That's spelled KLAIRELOCKHEART.